Hey everybody, I'm going to talk about the prepping of what happens before you import the contacts into a contact list so that they show up in your pipeline the way that you want them to. So the most important part is that you need to find and figure out what works best for you. So for example, this is a pre-foreclosure list, right? And so the best way to do it is to have a contact tag. So what that means is that you will want to create a contact tag. So the reason why that's so important is because then you can create a trigger for any lead or any contact that has that contact tag. It will add them into this pipeline. So let me show you how this works. So first and foremost, you will come in here to settings, and you can come in here to tags, and you're going to create a tag. Okay, so this one I'm going to call tag 1 as an example, and I'm going to add it. And then secondly, I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to come in here to triggers. Okay, so in here in the triggers, I'm going to add a new basic rule, and this new basic rule, triggers are like if then statements. So if, right, if there's a contact tag and the contact tag is added, and I'm going to put it as tag 1, then I want it to add an opportunity to my pipeline under the contacted lead stage, okay, for the sake of this example. So then, as you can see, that's what's going to happen. So I'm going to click Save, and with triggers, I'm going to name this Tag 1. Okay, you have to, if they're in draft status, it's not gonna actually work or pull over. So you have to activate it, and then make sure you save it. Then I'm going to come in here, right? And when I come into, and I am then now adding, right? I'm importing a list. So let's say, right? Let's come in here and let's do this list. Okay, it's going to come in here. Then it's going to ask you to map out the fields. So again, right, this is just the same thing, and we've already gone through this. So yes, this is good. Yes, this is good. I already know about my duplicates. And then tags, right? I'm going to add a tag 1. Okay, and then I'm going to click Done. Okay, looks like it imported them. So now if I come back here into my opportunities, it now has imported all those, and now they are in the contacted lead stage, as you can see. So that's how that trigger works. So this is the prep before you do the contact list. Let me know if you have any questions.